Hi guys! Welcome to our newly renovated trailer. It's been a long 2 months, but I'm super excited to show you everything we did. Come on in. Ta-da! So we have essentially painted every aspect of our trailer. We started with our lower cabinets. We put a knight's armor on our lower cabinets, dark gray. We did our upper cabinets in white, and our walls are in secret passage. We also painted our door with the chalkboard paint so we can decorate it as we please. We continued all the colors into the bathroom, including our peel and stick tile. We also upgraded our faucet. And painted our cabinets over here as well. I'm super excited about our newest addition, a washing machine. So we are going to do a how-to video on this as well, so stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up on our next episode. So we really wanted the trailer to have a beach house feel to it. So all of our accents are kind of beach inspired or beach themed. So we picked up some new pillows. We've got some artwork that we still have to hang, but that's all in beach glass. And all of our colors are very light and airy. So for our valances, I actually went out and bought new fabric and recovered all of them. We also used to have pieces that hung down here that we removed, and we upgraded all of our blinds. Jeff did a great job redoing all of our glass in our cupboards as well. So before, it had an ugly pattern in the glass, and we removed all of that and put on a frosted film.
Our ottoman, which was originally there, is now here.
It works great. I can actually see into the freezer now. I use it as a step stool.
Show them how you use it, honey.
Ta-da! I don't even hit my head. That's the best part.
Overkill.
Our new bedding was purchased from Giant Tiger, of all places. It's a quilt, king-size quilt, and it was only $45. So our whole renovation from start to finish took about 2 months and cost us about $500. So not bad really, because we have a totally different space. Some of our pointers that we have learned from doing this renovation: number one, don't live in your trailer while you're renovating. It was difficult. You can't escape. You can't just shut a door because there are no doors to shut. So it was very stressful, but we made it work. My second recommendation, if you're going to renovate your trailer, don't cheap out on products. We bought the most expensive paint that you can buy for your cabinets in hopes that it'll last longer. And we will do a follow-up video maybe in about 6 months to let you know how it is holding up and whether or not it was worth the extra money.
We hope you enjoyed the tour.
We're super happy with how it turned out. We love absolutely love everything about it. It feels like a totally different trailer for not very much money.
If you want to see what it looked like before, you can check out episode 60. Ding!
Make sure you check us out on Facebook.
Subscribe to us right here on YouTube.
And follow us on Instagram.
And we will see you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.